Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 2 of this church. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to set up our grid lines and then our levels. We also continue working on our wall. We started adding the exterior wall. Now we're gonna continue working on this, and we're going to extend some of this to interior wall. So now let's click on wall, and then from here we could add in, we're gonna edit this to our interior wall. So we're gonna duplicate this first and change this one to interior wall number 1. We're gonna maintain the 200, and we're going to just leave it at gypsum wallboard. I'm doing this so that we could differentiate the interior wall from the exterior wall, and once we're ready to think of what we're gonna add here, or what's the material is gonna be, then we're going to deal with it later on. So now I'm going to extend this part and then click it right here so that we could add in our interior wall. So here I'm going to go all the way right here. So that's from D1 up to D9. Again, we're going to do this. We're going to click it from here up to this corner, which is 1E, and then from 1E going to E9, we're going to select that. So basically we're going to create all of this. We're gonna add offices right here, and then this will be the sanctuary, this will be the foyer, and then we're going to add a vestibule right here. So the foyer area is where people will get a chance to go to different parts of the church, where you could go to the offices, washroom, and everything. This is where the sanctuary will be, where the seating, we have seating here, benches, and then the altar will be. We will close this off, so basically we could have this wall. So we're gonna add a wall from D, this will be D2 up to DE, and then we're going to add a door here that is collapsible, so that you will be able to extend the foyer, the sanctuary, to the foyer, so people can still have and can be standing up and will be able to hear the mass as well. So that's our plan. Here we're going to connect this wall. So connect this wall up to D2. So that's connected already. We're going to have this one. This will be going to be our one of the offices. So this will be another room, and then from this we could extend this one. This will be our corridor, so we'll be able to have this one open up. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to select from B2, so I'm gonna click on this, and then we're going to go up to B8, and then here again we're going to have, so select that CS, this will be C2 going to C8, and then here we're going to have this one open like so. So this will be a corridor right here and a corridor right there as well. So now we're carefully adding all this space. We're gonna have this one opening so that we could exit outside, and then here we could go inside right here. So we're going to set up all the walls right now. This will be a general office. We're going to have the pastor's office right here. This will be, I'm gonna click on this one, and I want this one to be around 7,500. 7,750. So that's the plan. 7,750. That's our space right here. And then now we're going to have, so we're going to select that CS again. This will be for our kitchen here. Obviously we need a kitchen. This will be from C4 up to D4, and then this will be C3 up to D3. So we're going to have that wall right there. This will be the washroom area. I'm going to divide this. I'm also going to extend this one a little bit because we need more room. This will be, I'm gonna pull this one. I want it to be at least 2,000 from the number 4 grid line. And then this one, you just need to pull it at least in the middle. So in order for us to do that, I'm gonna select this wall like so, like that, and then click on equal. So that's easy to do. At least you'll be able to equal this room or this washroom for both sides. So I'm just gonna delete that and then cancel. Delete this and then press OK. So now this one, this is extended right here. We will have our storage as well, and then our mechanical and IT as well. So for here, I'm just going to copy the same width as with this one, and then this will be our mechanical room and then our IT room. CS, just divide this one in the middle. So mechanical, IT, and then this will be our general storage or our storage itself. This will be council room and then prayer room. So CS, I'm going to have this one right here, and then select that, grab it from there. This will be around 5150. So 5150 from this grid line. This is the D grid line. So I'm happy with that. And then we have rooms here. This will be an open area. We can also pull this out if we want to. We're gonna add a wall opening. So it's up to you how you like to showcase this. I think for now we're just going to pull it out so that we basically have access to this area. So I'm good with this part. Let's go down to the other part. Before that, let's add in our vestibule. This will be the opening for our main entrance. I'm going to add this one first and then give you guys the measurement afterwards. So this one is around 3,500 from the wall. I'm gonna select this one as well, and then I'm gonna move this one right here 3,500 as well. And then here's, I'm going to select that. Let's put this one as 2,500 now. So now this is our vestibule. So our main entrance. And then now let's go to the other side. Select that CS, and then we're also going to have universal washroom. Even though we have washrooms now, we need universal washroom. In our day and age, it's something that is needed. We'll also have a nursery area. So nursing area, this is around 3,000, and then close it off. And then we have a nursery area right here. We can extend this one all the way right here, and then we'll have our universal washroom right about here. This is around 3,500, and let's just close it off like that. So this is 3,500, and then just close it off from the F grid line right here. And then we have a kitchenette right here. So the kitchenette, it's around 6,500. So sorry, 6,500. And then we will have some offices here, and then another access to go outside. So office, and then another access to go outside. So basically we're gonna have some doors right here. We also going to have some access here as well. So another atrium right here. So now we forgot to save this, so just save it to the location that you want to. So I'm gonna click save. So right here, I'm gonna put church first. And then here, before you click save, click on option. So here, depending on how many backup do you want, I'm gonna choose 5. If you're intermediate, that's 5 is good enough. If you're beginner, you can leave the 20, or you can make it 10. It doesn't matter. Or if you want it just 1, you can just click put 1 there. So depending on how confident you are, at least every time it saves, first it will save 5, and then after that it will override the last one, or the oldest one that you have. So it will keep on circulating like that. So I'm happy enough to put it on 5. I feel confident that if ever anything happens, I could go back to the previous save part. So now I'm gonna click on save, and then next thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna click on, or we're gonna tag the room. So here we have this tag room. Click on that under architecture. So now click on that. So click on the room, not the room tag, and then here we'll be able to add in the room names on each of one of this. So right now I'm just adding on the room. I think it's good that we could add this first, so that we could differentiate the rooms. So here I'm gonna add it like that. And then here we could just put corridor right here. So now this is the sanctuary. And then here atrium 1, and then we have atrium 2, here's the nursing room. If you have kids, you can breastfeed. And then we have nursery. And then we have universal washroom here. And then we have kitchenette here. And then we have some meeting room number 1. And then we have another meeting room number 2. This will be our foyer. And then this will be our vestibule. Above here we have, we could put like a cafeteria right here, and then we also have men's washroom, women's washroom, and then here's our mechanical room, IT, storage, and then we have general office here, and then here's our pastor's office, council room, and then we also have a prayer room here. Let's add in the corridor. We can put corridor 1. And then corridor 2 here. So I'm happy that we were able to tag all of this. I want to do the next thing, and then let's add in our doors. So we need to go to insert, load family. We're gonna load doors here from our residential. We have exterior doors, and then we also have interior doors right here. For our exterior door, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to choose the double door right here. So I'm gonna click open, and I'm just going to choose up to 18. So 18, and all of them are 2000 millimeters height. Okay, click open, and then click OK. And then you can type in DR now. So DR, that's for door, and we'll be able to add in multiple doors right now. So the exit should be going outside. So in case of fire, the orientation should be like this. So I'm gonna add it right here and to this area as well. So that's how it should be, the way the orientation is. We're also going to add in a door right here, so double doors as well. We could move this one out. We're gonna leave that open, and then here as well. And then obviously you want the same separation from here as well. So actually, let's just leave it like this. And then here we also have our openings right here. In terms right here, we're going to add the special doors that you can retract in order to be able to access or continue this one and open it to more people. So that's something that we could do later on. I believe we have it right here, so I'm gonna look for it and then I'm gonna add it to the link. So it's probably gonna be the second link. You'll be able to have all the extra families, and one of them will be the parametric folding door. You'll be able to download that, and then let's load it here into our drawing. So here, once you have this, it's loaded right here, and we'll be able to add it from here. And then as you can see, it's easy to manipulate. So you'll be able to extend this width. So the width right now is 5,000. Let's make it around 7,000. And then you'll be able to change the height as well, depending on how high we have it here. So it's easy at least to be changed here. Number of panels, you could change that to maybe 6. As you can see, we have it right here. It's easy to manipulate, so you just need to work on this. Let's probably have this. Let's have 2 of this instead of having 1, so that it's easy to have. So let's make them 5 each. So 5,000 each, and then around 6. So I wanted to be having on the other one side, and then obviously I want another one going on the other side. So here I'm just going to notch this. We're still going to have a middle support, and then I'm just going to flip it on the other side. So now we have this. It's easy to manipulate, it's easy to have, and then we have this opening right there, and then we could change this to being closed or open. So here you can be able to do that if you wanted to be closed and open, and you'll be able to change the angle opening. So if we put it on 0, it will look like that. It's closed like that. So I'm just gonna undo that for now, and then leave it like this so that it looks like it's an opening like that. Another thing is I'm going to add this one as well onto this side. We're going to have an opening there as well. Right here we could have this one turning this side, and then as you know, we have this one opening as well. So I'm just gonna open it like that. So let's leave it like that for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.